Here's something you never knew you needed until you needed it now. Does that make sense? This is a wonderful, wonderful gadget. I love this gadget. It's locked up, so I'm going to unlock it. There it comes open, and it's a sharp German blade that you can put this in the dishwasher. You're going to slide this under your pizza slice. You know, they never come fully sliced, do they? Then you're just going to cut your slices. Come out, cut your other one. This is a wonderful gadget. Those pizzas never come cut all the way through. You don't even have to touch it. You just slide it in there. The little base will help you take it out, and you serve to all your guests. It's wonderful, wonderful. And you know, it won't scratch your pan. If you have a stone or a pan that you've had forever and you don't want to get it all scratched up, it won't scratch it because this is like plastic. It's wonderful. I love it. Another thing that you didn't know you needed until now. This is a genius. Look, it's a banana slicer. It will slice all of your bananas evenly all at once. You know, the kids won't have to fight over his banana piece is bigger than mine because they're all the same. And you could put one of your kids on banana duty and they just come over here, lay it on top of the banana, push it down. It's not sharp. It's not going to cut their fingers. And then they're going to have evenly cut bananas for your banana pudding, for you to put on their pancakes, for you to put in them just for a snack. My kids would have loved this because they would have thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to cut the bananas. Let me do it, Mama. And I'd say, go right ahead, cut the bananas. I've saved the best for last because, Mom, I'm going to make you a hero with this little kitchen gadget. Your kids are going to love you and you're going to save a bunch of money because summer's coming. They always want a treat, and one of the best treats they can have is an ice cream sandwich. So you go to the store, you buy some cookies, right? You don't have to bake them. You just buy some. Here it is. You're going to push this down into your ice cream right here. Now, you can push it into chunky ice cream, hard ice cream, soft ice cream, gelato, any kind of ice cream. You're going to push it down, and as you push it, this little thing goes up. So you push down, and it's up, and then you twist it, and you pull it out. You put it on top of your cookie. You push this down and twist it a little bit, and your ice cream is going to fill that cookie. Then you're going to top it with the other side of the cookie, and you have a ice cream sandwich that made Mom the hero of the neighborhood. All the kids are going to want to come to your house. It's not going to cost you $3 for an ice cream sandwich. It's going to be just great, and you're going to have more fun. You could put this in watermelon. You could cut pieces of cake and then put ice cream on top. Think of all the things you could do with this. It is a mom saver for the summer. I guarantee that. Your kids are going to love it, and I bet your husband likes it too. Thanks so much for watching today. We've just shown so many fun gadgets. I hope you find one that you like. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come back and see what other shenanigans I can get into and what other great things I can find for you to make you the hero of your family.